bocor sudah ya, bocor sudah kan, kasih dibaiki. Bahasa sudah hujan. Lampu luar. Tidak tahu itu lampu. Oh, dia matikan. Nah, hidupin aja lampu luar. Iya. Oh, itu waktu itu kalau hasilnya mau seperti apa, pakai 80 kah, pakai di pinekal tahu. Ini aplikasi sini, nama aplikasi Android di sini. Terus kita edit di pinekal kan, terus jadi berapa resolusi ya di sini kali itu yang menentukan. Banyak apa nggak bocor sudah perbaiki kan sebelumnya bocor bagian untuk bagian kompor gas nggak tahu nggak ada kayaknya. Kompor gas alam. Oh, Mamet tuh sudah pernah dibongkar tadi. Terbalik pasang. Rinai ini kan ya? Rinai. Apanya itu? Sepuyer. Oh, sepuyernya. Oh. Jauhnya bedanya.
Ini lubang ini.
Sepuyernya. Oh iya belum. Oh iya kecil. Gedenya sudah nih ya? Lubang sepuyer.
Kamu ganti penantiknya?
Iya, nggak bisa hidup kan kalau nggak pakai korek nih.
Ini penantiknya.
Oh, kurang tahu Om Ria. Bukan ahlinya Om Ria. Ada burung tadi kan di luar.
Iya, ada burung.
Tuh, makanya lebat ya. Subur. Buahnya banyak betul. Subur makanya. Yang besar-besar kemarin jatuh kan. Ada sih yang besar kemarin. Apa? Ke posisi kaca yang pecah. Pecah. Aman aja sih ring. Harga standar.
Mr. Durst,
Yeah?
we need your help. Pulling into the diner about now should be 4 top-secret agents. One of them is carrying a briefcase. Your mission is to obtain the disc from the briefcase.
All the tension in the world today, all the little girls filling up the world today. With the good comes the bad comes the good. But I'ma live my life like I should. Now all the critics wanna hit it. And shit can, how we did it. Just because they don't get it. But I'll stay fitted, new era committed. Now this red cap gets a rap from these critics. But do we always gotta cry? Do we always gotta live inside a lie? Life's just a blast, that's moving really fast. Better stay on top or life will kick you in the ass. Follow me into a solo. Remember that, kid? So what you wanna do? And where you gonna run when you're staring down the cable of a mic pointed at your grill like a gun? The biscuit is rocking the set. It's like Russian roulette when you're placing your bet. So don't be upset when you're broken and done. Cause I'ma be the one till I jet. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. Now I know why you wanna hate me. Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. And now you wanna hate me. Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. And now you wanna hate me. Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Does anybody really know the secret? Or the combination for this life and where they keep it? It's kinda sad when you don't know the meaning. But everything happens for a reason. I don't even know what I should say. Cause I'm an idiot, a loser, microphone abuser. I analyze every second I exist. Beating up my mind every second with my fists. And everybody wanna run. Everybody wanna hide from the gun. You can take a ride through this life if you want, but you can't take the edge off the knife. No, sir. And now you want your money back. But you're denied cause your brain's fried from the sack. And there ain't nothing I can do. Cause life is a lesson, you'll learn it when you're through. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. Now I know why you wanna hate me. Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Now you wanna hate me. Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Now you wanna hate me. Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately.
Tes hari ini sudah bisa hidup ya. Berarti Om Anto kesini lagi ya? Om Ahmad.
Enggak,
Terus yang betulin siapa? Nah itu sudah. Oh iya mungkin. Kasih ya. Jadi tidak tahu apa yang dibaikin. Oh tidak tahu. Kasih ya tidak bisa hidup sekarang. Keras. Berarti kerannya aja ya. Terus ups. Berarti nanti bawa contohnya itu ya. Resepkan kerannya aja.
Hello? Mr. Durst, abort the mission. The men in the diner are decoys. Thanks anyway. This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds.